Hello, I'm Ben and welcome to Recipes Around the World. I am so grateful you're choosing to spend this time with me. You could be anywhere watching anything, but you're here. And I am so grateful that you're coming to my humble channel. So thank you very much. For this video, we're going to be making another cocktail. The cocktail we're going to make in this video is a Soto Paloma. And as the base for this drink, I'm going to be using Desert Soto, okay? I gotta thank my buddy Sean for giving me this bottle as a gift. He challenged me to make a cool cocktail with it, so I took up your challenge, Sean, and I hope this video makes you proud, okay? So thank you, Sean, for this bottle. I like Soto. I actually never had this liquor before Sean gave it to me. It has a very nice smoky aftertaste, which is very unusual, that I actually really like a lot. A lot of people liken this or use this as a substitute for, tequila and those sorts of things, mezcal, those sorts of things. So I like this liquor, and I've tasted it in a few cocktails. I really enjoy it, so I recommend it to you if you're in the cocktail, if you like making cocktails. So give this a shot, give it a try, okay? So we're going to use Soto. This is a fruit drink, so we're going to use grapefruit juice. So the ingredients that we're going to use for this cocktail, we're going to use 2 ounces of our Soto. We're going to use, you can either fill or use 4 ounces of grapefruit juice, as I have here. We're going to use about 1 ounce of simple syrup here. And then we're going to garnish with a grapefruit wedge. All right, I already cut my wedges ahead of the video. Well, we're going to make it in a shaker, as a shaking drink. The rim of your glass, I rimmed mine with salt and chili to give it a nice spicy kick once you take your drink. And as with all drinks, we're going to use a straw to finish, okay? So let's make this drink really quickly. So as with all things, we got our shaker prepped, some ice. Break up the ice a bit. Okay. So that works for me. And we're also going to put some ice in our glass. Okay. Okay, that works for me. Let's put this to the side. Okay, so 2 ounces of our Soto. Very cool bottle, see that? I like the way it flips open like that. So 2 ounces of our Soto. Okay. I'm going to fill with grapefruit juice. I really like grapefruit. Again, like I said, if you can use 4 ounces or just fill, I just choose to fill because I don't like my drinks too strong with the liquor, especially when they're fruit-based. Okay. Use 1 ounce of your syrup. Okay, we're going to give this a nice shake. Okay, should be a good show. Beautiful. Okay. We garnish with our grapefruit wedge. And with all drinks, we finish with a nice straw. These straws are pretty cool. This is a glass straw. I like the curvy top. So if you can get these, I recommend you do. And ladies and gentlemen, that is, I'll hold it up so you can see, our Soto Paloma. Very refreshing, has a nice smoky aftertaste and a sotol that I like. So I recommend you check it out. The grapefruit gives it a nice bitter, it's a bitter underlying taste that I actually like a lot about grapefruit. That nice sour, bitter taste. So you're definitely going to get that with this drink. The ice is very refreshing. Nice grapefruit wedge to top it off. And the chili and salt will balance everything out with that nice spicy kick, okay? So check this out if you can. Again, I'm Ben. If you like this video, please subscribe, please follow. If you're on Facebook, Instagram, if you're on YouTube, please subscribe. I wish you nothing but the best. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you stick around for the next video in this series. Take care, be blessed, and cheers.